Welcome! In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use modules in Pure. Let's open a notebook so we can see everything in an interactive fashion. By default, you will be able to use all the standard C# libraries. For instance, if you look up C# list, you can see that we can create a list just like the typical C#. For instance, if we create a new cell, we do a v our list equals 5, 6, 7, and do F5. Oh, sorry. You need to specify the type. In this case, let's do an int. And then we create a new cell. We do for each loop var a in list. We can do a write line a. Press F5 to execute. We have the outputs. But what if you want more advanced modules that are not available from the standard library? What we can do is, let's demonstrate using math.net. So math.net is a very commonly used numerical library. To use it, it's really simple. In Pure, it offers a special syntax to import a module, which is import. What you can do is input the name of the module as it appears from a NuGet repository. So if you go to NuGet, which is the place where all the C# libraries are shared, you can find the math.net, which gives you the proper name for this library, which is math.net numerics. So what we do is just put it here and press F5. Pure will install this library behind the scene to a temporary user location. After installation, you will be able to directly utilize the functions available from this library. Here I want to demonstrate how to use the Pearson correlation. So we can create a new cell and we just do math.net.numerics.statistics.correlation. This is a static function, so we're just passing the name of the function and passing two values. Let's do two arrays. Let's do 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, and press F5 to execute. The correlation is 1. If we do 7, 8.5, we do 9, we press F5. That the correlation is different. Using this manner, you will be able to use the majority of C# libraries available there. Some libraries have special ways of importing them, but we will demonstrate it in maybe another video. Thank you for watching.